Hi, this is Dean and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I begin this video, I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you had a safe and enjoyable time. For this video, I'm going to be making a loaf of cold processed soap. It's scented with 1 million type, which is a men's fragrance. It smells sort of like aftershave. Now, normally when I buy my micas from supply companies, they give you little tiny samples. The samples are usually only like 5 grams, if that, just in a tiny little plastic bag. And I thought I might give them a try and see what they look like. Now, taking into account that I normally use roughly around about half a teaspoon of mica per color, so this is a lot less than what I would normally use. But the colors that I'm using here, I don't know their exact names, but it was a silver gray, a deep blue sort of ocean color, and the other one was sparkling purple. Now I know that when you add these colors to a batter and it's really small amount, it's going to go to more of a pastel color than a deep rich color. For a men's fragrance, I didn't mind that. What I wasn't expecting is the silver to turn more of a yellowy type color, which was still okay with me. The blue came out really nice, and so did the purple. This fragrance, it doesn't accelerate and it doesn't discolor. The colors that you see in this video are the colors that it's remained after 2 months. And this actually was shot a little while ago. I've only just got around to editing it. So normally I make my soaps and they're designed specifically for women because that's my target market. But in this case I was a bit out of my field because I was going for more of a dark grungy type color that men could enjoy. And even I like this fragrance. It smells amazing. So I added just a little bit of titanium with the batter on top just to put it in as a swirl, and it turned out great. One thing I did forget, and that was to add sea salt into my lye water. And I didn't do that on this one, so the soap was a little soft when I got it out of the mold, and the ends of the loaf were a little bit still stuck to the mold. So here's my question for you. If you were to make a soap for men, what colors would you use? Let me know in the comments below. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.